Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Temperature changes in the environment affect most of the animals which are? And the options are A. Poikilothermic, B. Homeothermic, C. Aquatic and D. Desert living. So the right answer of this question is A. Now let's see the explanation. So poikilothermic animals are the animals which cannot maintain their body temperature. It means these animals change their body temperature with respect to surrounding because they do not generate their body heat. So as a result they are dependent on the heat of the surrounding. So when the temperature of surrounding changes, their body temperature is also changed. It means they are not able to regulate. So no regulation with in terms of temperature is there, so they are not the regulators. So examples of such animals are the fishes, amphibians and other lower animals also. So among vertebrates, fishes, amphibians and the reptiles, they are the poikilothermic animals. Now as they are not able to generate the body heat, so they are dependent on the external heat, so they are called the ectothermic animals or the cold blooded animals. Now the next term is homeothermic. So homeothermic means these are the regulators. It means these animals, they generate the body heat and they are able to maintain their body temperature at a constant value. So they can maintain their body temperature. They do not change their body temperature according to the surrounding. Maintain body temperature. So such animals are called the regulators or thermoregulators, or they are called the endothermic animals as they generate heat inside the body, and they are also known as the warm blooded animals. And the examples of such animals are the birds and mammals. Now if we look at or compare these two categories of animals, then these homeotherms are more efficient and the surrounding temperature does not affect their physiology. But these animals which are called the poikilotherms, they are affected by the surrounding temperature. It is because in body, for all the physiological processes, it means all the working of body, so there are involvement of enzymes, and these enzymes are made of proteins, and these enzymes are most efficient at a particular temperature and pH. So a particular temperature and a particular pH is required for the working of these enzymes. So there is a range of these temperature for working of these enzymes. Beyond that range, their efficiency or their activity becomes slow because they are made of proteins. So proteins become denatured at high temperature and also they become inactive at very low temperature. So an optimum range is required for the working of enzymes. But as these animals change their body temperature with respect to surrounding, it means when the temperature range is beyond the working of these enzymes, so no physiological processes will be there, so their body physiology or their efficiency will be affected. So such animals are most affected by the temperature changes in the environment. So out of these four, only the right option is option A. If we look at other two also, so aquatic animals, so these are the animals which live in water, they may be poikilothermic or they may be homeothermic. Likewise desert living animals, it means the animals which are living in such a conditions where there is deficiency of water, so they may be regulators or conformers. So this is also not true. So the right option is option A. I hope this explanation is helpful. All the best.